Hello everyone. I believe all of you must have seen the animated movies. All of you enjoy the animated movies. But what is animation? Have you ever think about what is animation and how does animation works? So in this video, we will put animation on sprites. We will use GameLab and we will basically see in GameLab how we can animate our sprite. We will understand what is animation, how does the animation work, what is the basic theory behind animations. If you Google and if you search for animated frames, it could be for anything. I searched for animated frames of a running boy. Okay, so if I searched for animated frames of a running boy, I got so many results. Okay, so what are these results? I am seeing multiple images. What is the meaning of these multiple images? Okay, for example, take example of this one. Okay, when I'm saying running person, why I'm seeing these 4 images? Okay, so friends, animation is nothing but multiple images being put together on top of each other, which keeps on executed quickly, and they keep on coming display. They keep on displaying one after another, hence give us a feeling of animation or give us a feeling of movie. This is how actually the movies are also created. Okay, when we talk about animations are also similar. Multiple frames or multiple images put together on top of each other and they are running with a particular speed gives an impression of animation. So this is the same theory that we are going to apply in our today's project that we will do in GameLab of coder.org. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First step, I believe all of you know as of now, log into your code.org account. If you do not have a code.org account, here is a video, check it out. Okay, so let's get started. Log into your code.org account and open a GameLab project. So I am going to code.org account. I will sign in. Okay, and I will create a new GameLab project. This is how you can create a GameLab project. So we created a GameLab project. Now we will first, what we will do, we will add some of the animations in it. To add animation, go to animation tab, click on new animation. So first, let's understand the frames. What are frames? Okay, so I am picking this bunny go, or we can pick this bunny walk as well. Okay, so if you see this bunny go or bunny walk, it has got 2 frames. One frame is this, where the legs of the bunny are basically close together, and another frame where the legs of the bunny are spread across. Okay, so it is giving a feeling as if bunny is going. They have also do some changes in the position of the ear so that it gives a feeling of jumping and going sort of. Okay, this is how you can actually increase or decrease the speed as well. Okay, you are seeing the slide bar. Using this, you can increase or decrease the speed of your animation. So good. Using this, we will create our own animation. So I have actually downloaded a couple of images. So what I will do, I will upload the images. I was searching for these running boy images, and this is what I could download. You guys can also download. So what we will do, we will put all these images in a frame and we will see how it is giving the animation effect. Okay, so this one I imported as animation. Other frames we will import as new frames. So I clicked on add new frames, upload image, and I will continue adding these images. So you will see the more images we add, the better the animation becomes in terms of quality. Okay, so you can notice it here. You can notice it here while I keep on adding the images. You can also Google and you will be able to easily find out these images to be used, and you can use them in your projects. So today we will do two things. One thing, we will use these animations, and we will I will also tell you some of the very easy tips and tricks using which you can very well and very nicely animate your projects. So we have uploaded 6 frames. I am uploading more. We have 8 frames together. So this is basically a 8-frame animation. So when you search, you will find out, okay, there are 8 frames animation, 12 frames animation, 16 frames animations. The more number of frames, the better is the animation. Okay, so we have imported all our frames here. Okay, before we actually start using it, I want to show you some of very simple, very interesting and very effective and nice way to animate any sprite in GameLab. Okay, so what I am doing, I click on new animation. We don't worry, we will go back to that player thing again, but before that I want to show you very simple and amazing ways to animate anything that you can use in your small or big projects as well. Okay, so for example, I'm taking this emoji, okay, that we had used in our last project. See carefully what I'm going to do. What I will do, I will simply make a copy of it. When you mouse over it, you will see this icon, duplicate this frame. When you click on it, it will create a duplicate frame. But because these two frames are identical, you are not seeing any animation, because when an identical frame is put on top of another frame, it doesn't give any sort of effect or any sort of animation effect. So what we will do, use this. You can see this flip vertically. So what I'm going to do, I selected the second frame and I will click on flip vertically. As soon as I click on flip vertically, it has actually created a mirror image of it. Okay, so you can see just by creating a mirror image of an emoji in another frame, it creates a nice animation. This animation you can probably use in some of your project as a welcome page, or maybe if you want to create an animated birthday card, you can use it. Okay, so that was trick number 1 which I wanted to show you. I will also show you trick number 2. What is that? Okay, so let me pick something from fantasy here. Green monster, I hope it do not have, okay, yes, it do not have any frame. So what we will do, we will say add a new frame, draw your own. Okay, and what you're going to draw in the second frame, nothing, draw nothing, and it will give you a blinking effect. Nice, right? So you know how easy we are able to give some nice animation effects to our sprites here. Third trick which I'm going to tell you is, again, click on plus. You can again pick anything. Probably I will pick something from, let me pick something from here, from video games. Okay, so okay, let me pick this astronaut. Okay, I picked this astronaut. It has also got only 1 frame. So basically, it is just a graphic and it do not have any animation attached to it. What I will do, I will duplicate this, okay? And then I will do some simple drawings. What I will do, I will probably add 2 eyes here so that, you know, it will give the effect of blinking eyes. I will change the colors, pick some sparkling colors and spread them here and there, or maybe that we can do in again a frame. Let's use another third frame for this. Okay, let's change the color, some more sparkles. Let's see, some more sparkles here and there. So this is the third way, where in the first frame I have picked a image which I got from the code.org library itself. In second image, I just used this drawing tool to create 2 eyes, simply just, you know, 2 dots. And third image, I again created a copy and put some sparkles here and there. And this is how, we could create a nice animated astronaut here. So we learned 3 tricks to create beautiful and very easy animations here. Okay. Now let's go back to our project. Okay. We have used these frames. We have used this particular animation. We will put it in our project. Okay, let's take a player variable, create a sprite. We know what are the 3 steps to create a sprite. I believe all of you have already seen the previous video. Let me position it at maybe 60 and 300. Okay. Player.set animation. This is the second step. Okay, and the third step is draw sprites. Okay, so you can see, maybe I will have to change the position a little bit. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a very basic lecture regarding animations. How do animation works in general and how do animation works in game lab as well. See you soon in my next video. Bye-bye.